Hi everyone. I will be cooking some okra and saltfish. Here are my okra. I am washing them off into some cold water. Okra are healthy to eat and it is filled with antioxidants and vitamin C. Very good vegetables indeed. Now that I am done washing the okra, I have placed a pot on the stove so I can scald the okra to help get rid of the germs or any bacteria. I've also put a small piece of saltfish into the water for flavor. The saltfish that I will be cooking with the okras are into my pot with my bananas, my plantains, and dumpling cooking. And meanwhile it is cooking, it is extracting some of the salt also. Here are the okras, they're scalding. I will soon turn off the stove and remove them from the water. If you notice, the okra is taking the color, the water is taking the color of the okra. Here I have my tomato, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. I will be chopping them up and getting them prepared to cook the saltfish and the okra. Look at this, the water has taken the color of the okra. This okra has been scalded actually. They're more than scalded, they're actually cooked. Hence, I have to remove them from the water and allow them to cool down. After which, I will cut them small in small pieces and cook it with the saltfish. So I have removed the saltfish from the food pot and I have placed it in some water, allow it to soak. Then I will pick it up, remove all the bones, and get it ready to cook with the okra. Here I have gone ahead and pouring some oil into the pot, putting my vegetables, my scallion, my pepper, the onions, and the tomatoes, and saute them. Then I add the saltfish, turn it down on medium heat, allow them to saute properly. I will be adding the okra soon, but I want to make sure that my vegetables, especially my tomatoes, are sauteed properly. The only ingredient I have added, separating apart from the vegetables and the saltfish, is some black pepper. The saltfish brings its own taste and flavor, so you don't have to do much. And I will be also adding some tomato ketchup to before I add the okras. I've also gone ahead and added a small amount of water, after which I will stir the pot and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes, allow it to cook before I turn off the stove. The okra and saltfish is very delicious with bananas, yam, sweet potato, Irish, whatever you choose to eat it with. It is very delicious and it looks beautiful. As I said before, I'll be serving it with dumplings, bananas, and boiled plantains. Here we have it. I'll turn off my stove. It is finished. Now I am going to dish out one serving for myself and dive in.